How to hear yourself on Bandlab. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can hear ourselves on Bandlab while recording. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up the Bandlab application in the mobile. After that, tap on New Project by tapping in the plus icon at the bottom of the interface. Or you can simply open up your studio. So tap on Open Studio, then tap on Voice and Audio. Then tap on the microphone icon at the bottom left. In order to enable the monitoring, tap on the settings icon at the top right, scroll down a bit, and there you'll find the monitoring. Make sure the toggle is turned on. Now, if you experience delay while hearing yourself, there is an option as Latency Fix. You have to tap on it and then adjust it. Once you're done, make sure that you use your wired headphones to prevent feedback and echo, or if you're using the wireless Bluetooth headphones, expect slight latency. Now, once you're ready to record, simply tap or press on the record button, and now you should hear yourself while singing or playing. And that's how you can hear yourself on Bandlab. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.